There's been a big escalation, though, right through this Bandh day today in politics in Delhi. Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia is now headed to meet Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who the Aam Aadmi Party claims is under house arrest in Delhi during this Bandh. Some Aam Aadmi Party councillors, meanwhile, were allowed to meet the Chief Minister. Earlier, the BJP released a video to rubbish the AAP charge that the Chief Minister has been put under house arrest in Delhi. The BJP video purportedly showed Arvind Kejriwal leaving his residence late in the evening on Monday. Aam Aadmi Party workers clashed with the Delhi police over the alleged house arrest of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. The Aam Aadmi Party has claimed that the Delhi CM is not being allowed to venture out of his home by the police soon after he returned from the Singhu border yesterday after meeting farmers. The Delhi police has rubbished the charge and called them baseless, adding that Arvind Kejriwal had left his residence at 8 last evening and came back at 10 p.m.
बीजेपी किसानों से घबराई हुई है, बीजेपी अरविंद केजरीवाल जी से घबराई हुई है। कल जब अरविंद केजरीवाल जी सिंघू बॉर्डर गए थे किसानों से मिलने के लिए, उसके बाद से बीजेपी बुरी तरह से घबरा गई है। बीजेपी के नेताओं ने तुरंत अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को उसके बाद से हाउस अरेस्ट कर रखा है। कल से जब से सिंघू बॉर्डर से किसानों से मिलके आए हैं, उसके बाद से उनको घर के चारों तरफ बैरिकेडिंग करती है, ना उनसे किसी को मिलने दिया जा रहा है, ना उनको कहीं जाने दिया जा रहा है।
My request to you is you can stay here for a while. See the outgress and ingress to his house is absolutely clear. If there is anyone who has been put in an enclosure, is all of us. You can take your camera around and show that how we have been put in an enclosure, and we are abiding by the rules and regulations of dharna, protest, and choosing to stay inside the enclosure as the law and order situation demands. This gentleman is known for nautanki and drama, and this is another nautanki, another drama, knowing very well that the call for Bharat Bandh has failed. And he just cannot face the people that his call for Bharat Bandh in Delhi has failed.
India Today's Aishwarya Paliwal is right outside the Delhi Chief Minister's residence. Aishwarya, has the debate been settled? Is Arvind Kejriwal under house arrest or not? Because, this appears to be a big war of words and a war of allegations between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party at this time.
Well, Shiv, let me tell you, it's not just a war of words. In fact, there are proper clashes which are going on here. In fact, I'll ask Pritesh to show you. Now, AAP supporters are right outside Arvind Kejriwal's house. There's a big ruckus. The Delhi police on one side, these people here have blocked the road and they are claiming, this is what the Chief Minister is also claiming, that he's been put under house arrest. Now, the other side of the story, of course, is that the Delhi police is saying whatever AAP and the Chief Minister, the party is saying, whatever the Chief Minister is saying is not true. So these are the atmosphere here, Shiv, is very tense. See, the police present in large numbers. There are barricades which have been put right outside Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's house. Leaders of Aam Aadmi Party saying that Chief Minister has been under house arrest since he came back from Singhu border last night. The Delhi police, however, saying all these claims are baseless and he has not been put under any kind of house arrest. Back to you, Shiv.
Aishwarya, like you showed us that the situation is still pretty tense outside the Chief Minister's residence. Is Arvind Kejriwal still inside? Has he come out at all? Who is with him right now? Is Manish Sisodia with him? Who else is with him? Because apparently he's been meeting some of his Aam Aadmi Party councillors as well.
Rashid, I am not very sure of the leaders who are in, but yes, from what we understand, Manish Sisodia will be arriving in just a short while from now, and we'll have to wait and watch whether he'll be allowed to go inside and to meet the Chief Minister or not. But yes, at the moment, the situation here very tense. You'll be able to see AAP supporters have gathered in large numbers. They are sloganeering. In fact, just see, Shiv, you'll be able to see the police personnel there in large numbers now. Right outside Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's situation, barricades have been put up. The police at the moment feels there is a possibility of the situation going really out of control because AAP supporters are now turning up in large numbers. They are sloganeering against the Delhi government. They are sloganeering against BJP. All of them are claiming at the moment. Manish Sisodia there, as you can see, Shiv, I'll ask Ritesh to show you. Manish Sisodia there, right outside Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's house. All of them at the moment are claiming that Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has been put under house arrest. But the Delhi police giving a counter-claim saying that's not true. In fact,
Okay.
they're also claiming Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal was out of his house last night.
Okay. Thanks, Aishwarya. Stay safe. That's a big crowd there. We're going to take a very short break. We'll tell you what Manish Sisodia says when you come back after this very short break. Stay with us.
आम आदमी से मिलेंगे क्यों? इसका मतलब हाउस अरेस्ट में है मुख्यमंत्री। पुलिस तय करेगी मुख्यमंत्री किससे मिलेंगे और किससे नहीं मिलेंगे। इसका मतलब मुख्यमंत्री अरेस्ट में, अंडर अरेस्ट है क्या?
24 घंटे से वहाँ पे मेयर बैठे हुए हैं, पुलिस उन पर कोई कार्रवाई नहीं कर रही है।
मुख्यमंत्री अंडर अरेस्ट है क्या? मुख्यमंत्री जी ने जेल बनाने से रोका इनको। किसानों के लिए ये लोग यहाँ के स्टेडियम को जेल बनाना चाहते थे, मुख्यमंत्री जी ने रोका, तो आज इन्होंने मुख्यमंत्री जी के घर को जेल बना रखा है। आज आम आदमी मिल नहीं सकता जाके मुख्यमंत्री से। ये पुलिस परमिशन देगी मुख्यमंत्री जी से मिलने के लिए? मुख्यमंत्री जेल में बंद है ना।
सर एक वीडियो दिखा रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं कि रात को पार्टी में भी गए मुख्यमंत्री, कहाँ हाउस अरेस्ट
तो अभी क्यों नहीं जाने दे रहे हैं यहाँ पे? ये लोग किस लिए बैठा के रखे हुए हैं यहाँ पे? जाने दें, हटाएं। क्या मुख्यमंत्री अरेस्ट है? मुख्यमंत्री अगर दिल्ली पुलिस के अफसर कह रहे हैं कि साहब अरेस्ट नहीं है, तो फिर जाने दें इनको, क्यों नहीं जाने दे रहे हैं?
The temperatures rising outside Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi Chief Minister's residence. Manish Sisodia, the Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, has just arrived. Big crowds there, and the atmosphere continues to be tense. Remember, the Bandh is over. The Bharat Bandh is over, but tensions outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence continue to rise between the police and Aam Aadmi Party workers. Manish Sisodia has just arrived there and once again alleged that the Chief Minister of Delhi...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.